Hey guys, you got the verbal widget with you. I was just pulling over, checking the bag, standing up. I've been on my ass all day, and yeah, just checking out the bike. Man, everything's just humming along great. Yeah, I didn't use any cameras. I just kind of did the bonsai road trip thing, but all that was good too. So what we did, man, it just feels good to stand up. Get the map of completion here. So yeah, we took off from over here. We rode this road all the way out. We took the 60. And so now I can mark this one off going, we crossed Superior. We went into Miami, Globe, and then, oh, okay. And then we came down here to the 77 on this scenic highway. Then did Hayden. And then up here to Kearney, up to 177 to Superior. And now we're right back here again. Actually, we're up here at Apache Junction. So, and I haven't been off the seat since then. So that's why it's like my butt hurts. So anyway, so I just have to ride another 60 miles back. So, oh my word. So that's what we did. And I thought the bike had screeching tires, but it was the operator. So yeah, bike did great. I'll cover up some of the new things since I'm stopped here. One of them is I got the Tusk Chub bars. They're like 39 bucks. It was actually 41 with shipping going through someone on eBay. The Tusk Clutch lever didn't fit. I bought this one as a Motion Pro, and it's working. It's still not as good as the factory one because I had to reel in all my travel adjustment to make it normal. Dual Sport AZ has a KLR. Actually, he's got a gaggle of them, of KLR650s. So I traded seats because I did a ride last week, and the other one had a dish out, and then it came up. The only thing is that cramped my legs. I wasn't able to slide back on the seat unless I'll get the video out. You'll see it, but this one seems to be a little bit better. And I need to check the motor mounts because it seems to have too much vibration. I fixed my taillight bulb problem. The problem I had before was when I did this conversion, this was LED, this was incandescent. When I connected the wiring between the two, I had no taillight, which meant I had no license plate light when it got dark. And I got my license plate in too. So as kind of a last shot, I went to check, or I went to Walmart because I knew I could take them back if it didn't do anything. But I went to Walmart and I bought two of the 1157 LED bulbs, and I put it in here. I connected the wire under the seat, and everything worked. So everything's talking to each other now. So having the incandescent bulb in the back of this thing with the LED unit wasn't good because everything on the LED worked fine except for the taillight. I had turn signals, I had brake lights, I had the pulsating lights on both. But kind of the most important thing besides having the extra brake light is I have my license plate light. And then so that was a huge thing, and that was like 15 bucks for a pack of two. I put the other bulb, the other LED bulb, in the DR650, and I think that's about the only changes I made other than washing it and moving the chain and stuff. So, but yeah, this seat gives me a little bit more options. Kind of like the looks of it too. So that's about it for the updates. But yeah, this thing's run good all day. And one of the things I was thinking about as I was riding today is it took a week or so to go through the bike, and it's $1,200. I probably spent, just even with the bars and stuff, still just a little under $400 on it. But as I was riding down the highway today, it was nice to know that the wheel bearings had fresh grease and they're spinning in, fresh, the Lucas racing grease and the green stuff. And then, new brake pads, new tires and tubes. I mean, it just felt good to know everything was up. And that's kind of what this run today was to just kind of make sure everything's fine, and then I can start doing some off-road. And I just wanted to get to where I could trust the bike. All my tail lights, brake lights, turn signal lights are all working because this guy has a couple turn signals in it. I got the plate mount going good, got my plate. So, but it was just a nice feeling to go down the road and go, oh yeah, the wheel bearings are done. It's got new chain and sprockets. It's, you know, the brakes are good. The fluid's flushed, you know. So if you get a bike like this, yeah, take the time to go through it. Gosh, 51, 54 miles to the gallon is what I'm getting. I've checked it twice. And the last time I got 54, so that's pretty darn good. So on that note, my rear end's recovered a little bit. I'm going to hop back on the seat and get going again. And I will, look at that, fires right up. Yeah, and I will get scooting again. Yeah, everything seems to be working. Got it ran cool all day long, you know. Anyway, that's where we sit with the old KLR. Yeah, good scoot. I mean, shoot, I just haven't shown it any mercy today. It's held up. Got another 60 miles to go. I'll be another 300-mile trip on it. So that's 600 miles in the past couple weeks. All right, so we are heading back to Phoenix. And yeah, I'll get back rush hour traffic, so I'll have to use my fan today. So yeah, at least my butt feels a little bit better. Man. And I know everybody's worried about that. So. Anyway, guys, that's all I got for you. In the backdrop of the mighty Superstition Mountains, make your own adventures. Get out and go for a ride.